Oh. My door won't open. Thank you.
Break the window, Tom.
I know she like what I do. Hold up.
We are back in Los Angeles today once again. Brandon, what street are we on? Hit him with it.
Melrose, where all the hypebeasts shop.
That is right. We are on freaking Melrose Avenue today in Los Angeles. I hope all you guys are doing great. In terms of what we're doing for the day, first off, obviously, we're going to be hitting up some shops, sneaker shops, clothing shops, hypebeast shops. Also, full disclosure, I'm a complete idiot and my camera isn't fully charged. We're working on 30% battery right now. So if it completely cuts out, my bad. I have no idea how to cross the street in this city. There are no crosswalks anywhere. The drivers are nuts. Like in New York, there's crosswalks. You can just walk across the street. The cars are going slow. They stop. Don't you feel like you're gonna get smoked by a car coming from out of nowhere?
Happen, bro.
Thank you so much. This is what, okay, this guy's nice. I like this guy.
Yeah, she like my style, so we FaceTime. And I don't waste none. I'd rather save it if I got time. Get up 4 bars in a one take. I don't take breaks, you could tell just how I spit lines. Oh my baby mama so attractive. She don't play with hers, yeah, why you asking? Lonely for the night, so we get down, yeah. Tell me how you feeling now.
So we're in round 2, as you guys saw. This is my first time seeing these things in hand. I'm not feeling them. Obviously, I love Jordan 1's, and I pick up almost every pair of Jordan 1's there are. These are size 11, 250. So I mean, not tons of resale. I think they retail for $190. The leather, it feels plasticky. The red stripe looks weird. It's just, I don't know, it feels like an unfinished, I think Seth said it best, it almost looks like a custom that they just sort of threw together. Yeah, really not feeling these, and I'm sort of disappointed by it. Brandon, you remember when the Lakers made the playoffs?
No.
Yeah, me neither. Let it sink in that the last time LeBron wasn't in the playoffs, the iPhone didn't exist, George Bush was in office. What? Like, I mean, I'm not even a LeBron fan, but it's sad. Rest in peace, LeBron.
He died?
Oh, I also forgot to mention that Brandon is on like a sort of obsessive hunt for a Supreme chair.
Yes.
Why do you want it? I mean, like, there's the black one.
It's the wrong color though.
It's cool, but
I
like,
need red.
you want the red one?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't get Supreme. I want the beach ball.
Actually,
the beach ball I would, or the punching bag.
That's my biggest thing, man. That goes for way over 10 grand.
Seriously, that goes for over 10 grand?
Look at it. It's beautiful.
What?
1 round, 2 rounds if you're not done. I won't give in if you want some. UPS at the box is the top love. I can give you what I got, I don't got none.
I need these in my life. I have the black ones, I have the black Air Maxes, I have the black Blazers, I have the tan Blazers, I don't have the tan Air Maxes. But I really want the Volt Air Force ones. You dig these or no?
Not at all.
You don't like them?
No.
At all?
They look like highlighter pink.
Highlighter what?
Or like the white, the yellow version of pink, but
Pick? What's pick?
pink.
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 Oh, highlighter pink.
Yeah, the yellow.
So just highlighter.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I guess so.
Ooh, okay. Look what we have here. These haven't come out yet. The Phantom Gym Red Jordan 1's. There's like neoprene on the back. Didn't know that was a thing. I'm 100% picking up 2 pairs of these when they come out. I think these are amazing. I'm gonna beat the crap out of these. I'm gonna wear them on a daily basis. Wow, these are sick. These look just as good in person as they do in pictures, if not even a little bit better in person. If you guys are feeling Jordan 1's lately and you want to pick up a nice clean colorway for summer, 100% go for these when they come out on March 30th. And they're not even that limited, so they should be pretty easy to get.
I want these so much.
Which ones?
These
Oh,
ones
these ones, the crumpled paper bags?
Paper bags, yeah.
You used to want these?
I did a lot.
I don't blame you. These things are pretty fresh.
Like now that I see them in person, they look like a crumpled paper bag.
They do look like a
Not-
crumpled
yeah,
paper
not
bag,
that
but
into it.
I think hey, you're right. Honestly, yeah, they don't look that fresh. They look really bad.
Yeah.
But like, they're still cool.
The picture, like seeing it on picture, it was a dope idea. I didn't think it actually looked like a crumpled paper bag though.
Now, 1 round, 2 rounds if you're not done. I won't give in if you want some. UPS at the box is the top love. I can give you what I got, I don't got none.
I would just like to clarify, yes, these are men's sizes, and all velvet. Really plush, like there's padding behind this pink velvet. Pair of Air Force One lows for $130. These are, what? Who decided to design these? I forget, this is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. What? Okay, we're just gonna leave those on the shelf there. I do not know how to explain this. You wanna just jaywalk it? Okay, let's. I feel like people are gonna hit me every single time I cross the street in this city. I do not like it. Now, at this point, we had been running around Melrose all afternoon, going to sneaker store after sneaker store after sneaker store. It was expensive shoe overload. I didn't know how to handle it, and I thought I would just take a slow little break and rewind to a couple days ago when we were in Winnipeg, and we actually had a sneaker store grand opening. Yeah, we got another sneaker store in Winnipeg, which is awesome. Just dropped off 2 pairs of Air Up Tempos, 1 pair of LeBron 12 lows that I have no idea why I purchased in the first place at the UPS store. I don't know how it works. I don't know if UPS is franchised or not, but I always feel like they're sort of passive aggressive when I drop off already labeled boxes there. I don't know. If they're not making money off of that, I apologize, because I probably drop off like 10 a week.
Top love, I can give you what I got, I don't got none. Save some for your bro when I come through. Take a second or 2 if you want to. I ain't feeling done. I just wanna spend all my days laying with you in the sun.
Okay, so we are in a mall on the other side of the city that I usually never go to that doesn't really have anything good, except they have a Foot Locker that's been here for years, but it closed, then reopened. And apparently they have a whole bunch of cool stuff that's available here now. I'm not 100% sure, but this is what I've heard. So we're gonna go check it out. Yo, so maybe they don't have Concords or anything. I was told to check back later, wink, wink, hint, hint, quotation mark, but they do have infrared 6s sitting at this brand newly renovated Foot Locker. And this is a nice looking store. Infrared 6s sitting on the shelves. These things are pretty fresh. I already have a pair, so I have no need to cop these. I don't think they resell for anything at all, so I could see these sitting here for a little bit actually. Par, you have these yet?
No, definitely not.
Well, you should purchase them
Really
then.
dope, awesome, cool kicks, man.
They also have all black 12s. They also have all red 12s. They have laser 4s. They have whatever these ones are called, like the Volcano something 4s. They have Jordan Legacies. They have Jordan 1 mids. And I don't know if I've ever seen this one before. Like the Sacramento Kings looking Jordan 1 mid. I don't like the materials on them, but I mean, pretty fresh colorway. They should put these in a high top, and I would definitely buy them.
You down with it? Say is you down with it? We can get it from the
So, in a completely unrelated and coincidental note to that Foot Locker having their grand reopening today, which was very cool. And I don't know what type of releases they're going to be getting in months and years to come, but I mean, maybe that's another Foot Locker in Winnipeg that actually gets some cool stuff. Anyway, speaking of Foot Locker reached out to me and said, hey Tom, we got some shoes coming for you, stay tuned. And literally the next day, this pair of shoes came through. So thank you, Foot Locker, for sending these out. The Adidas times Game of Thrones. Of course, this is a pair of Ultra Boosts. Yes! I didn't really like the icy silver one. This one is sick. Wow. For free and fire and blood. This is something I probably would have just passed on. I don't know if these are going to sell out. I don't know how limited or hyped up these are, except I probably just would have passed on these and been like, you know what, I don't need to spend the money on them, but having them in hand, this is a beautiful pair of shoes. Thank you to Adidas. Thank you to Foot Locker. Thank you to Foot Locker Canada for sending these out. I truly and really do appreciate it.
Still feel cold, get closer and I hold ya. Hold up, tell them what I told ya. 1 round, 2 rounds if you're not done.
This chair?
Give in if you want some.
Ooh. Okay, I understand why you want the red one. Looks sick. The red one actually looks really, really sick.
Sold.
It's $450.
Tomorrow.
Ooh. Okay, we got some Soulfly Miami Art Basel Jordan 1s. I got offered to buy 10 pairs of these last week from some dude in my Instagram DMs, and I didn't see it, and he sold them, which is very, very unfortunate. I would have loved to buy these, but I mean, these are sick. The price is just gonna go up and up and up and up and up on these, so I will probably never own these. Just another pair of Jordan 1s that I need to add to the collection. That is why you don't wear flip. Brandon just smashed his toe. You okay?
Hey, wait a second, it might be a tear that comes out. Not that I'm like, you know, scared of life or like.
Are you crying?
Super in pain.
Are you actually crying?
No, it just comes with
Your eyes are really red, dude. Our Uber driver's name is Dongko. Dongo? How do you think we pronounce that, Brandon? Dongo?
Donkey Kong? Donkey
Don
Kong.
He's a 4.9 though. 2,797 trips. This is us right here, Brandon. Hey, how you doing?
I just wanna spend all my days laying with you in the sun. Still good, we can run rounds. Get high in the clouds, never come down.
You have a good one too. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate that. All right, have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Dongo was the best Uber driver ever. He said I had a nice voice and a nice camera. Just like a really nice guy.
Rough now, and I ain't never feeling mad, no. A little sad, I got fans though. Play your songs that we dance slow all night so we get low. Tell me what you think when you be all alone. Yeah. No. I know she like what I do. Hold up, yeah. She can